Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will do the unboxing of Fidget phone by Chili. So let's get onto it. A Hong Kong-based company, Chili International Holding, HK, Limited, has launched two new phones in India. Dubbed as the K188, the first one is shaped like a fidget spinner. This is why the company refers to as world's first fidget spinner mobile. The second offering is a feature phone called F05. Notably, it is the first feature phone to offer a GPS technology in India. These two innovative Chili mobile products will be available online on Amazon, Flipkart, ShopClues, Paytm as well as via offline networks in all leading stores across India by end of September, 2017. The K188 is priced between 1,200 rupees to 1,300 and the F05 model is priced at 1,500 rupees to 1,700 rupees at the retail level. Speaking on the announcement, Michael Fenn, India sales head of Chili International Holding, HK, Limited, said, "Since our first preview online, we have overseen a high demand among customer for these new models. Our focus for the quarter in on strengthening our brand in the Indian soil, and with K188 and F05, we aim to deliver the industry's most value for price products." Talking about features, the K188 offers 32 MB of RAM and 32 MB of internal storage space. The storage space can be further expanded up to 8 GB by using a micro SD card. The device also offers multimedia support like images, video, and music support along with internet accessibility as per the user's network carrier. Hence, the K188 is perfect for those who are looking for a secondary phone, which will act as a stress buster as well. The phone can not only be used as a fidget spinner but also as a Bluetooth device for your smartphone. So basically, it is a combination of a fidget spinner, feature phone, and a Bluetooth headset. The product is offered in 6 attractive color options: rose gold, gold, silver, black, blue, and red. Coming to the other offering by Chili Mobile, the F05 is the only GPS-enabled feature phone in India. It also BT dialer facility and even supports WhatsApp. This model has a 7.9mm super slim body, offering a comfortable hand grip. The gadget also supports dual SIM with dual standby.